Hey guys, the house is looking beautiful. Landscaping looks great. Not a lot of plantings, but it's looking good. Looks like the painters are in doing final touch-ups. Beautiful. I think they're gonna paint those railings coming down from the steps. This is just a natural area back here. They're definitely watering it. It's a little soggy over here. The grass is a little soggy, but so they're definitely kept keeping it well watered, the sod, and it looks like it's taking pretty well. Let's go take a peek on the inside. Okay, so still no electricity. It's so pretty, oh my gosh. You guys, it's so beautiful. Coffered ceiling. Oh, love it, love, love it. So this is the office area off the front. Lovely light fixtures. The crown molding is beautiful. Foyer light, and you've got that little tray there in the foyer. Tray ceiling in the dining room. I love that this has a dining room and a breakfast nook. The space is just gigantic. Love the trim in here. Pretty floors. So they still have to put the shoe mold up around the baseboard. Living room. plug-in for side table lamp. Pretty marble surround on the, or tile surround on the fireplace. Got the accent lights there, and the built-ins. Lovely kitchen. Love, 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 love the kitchen. It's definitely the star of the show. These countertops are gorgeous. I can't wait to see it with the lights on. The way they've trimmed out this island is so nice. The light fixtures. I mean, the fact that this island could handle these huge pendants, 3 of them, just shows how gigantic that island is. I like the hardware they chose in here. That's pretty. Soft clothes. The cooktop is in. I know you're going to change that out, but looks pretty good. And the hood. They don't have the top of the hood in yet, but this is the hood. Love the faucet. Single bowl sink. It's pretty. Pantry cabinet. Wall oven with microwave above. The cabinets feel like they go all the way to the ceiling because they boxed it out up above. You've got your cabinet and trash and recycling drawer. That's nice. You've got this breakfast nook trimmed out beautifully as well with its own tray ceiling. A view of the pond from here. Let's go into this sunroom area. Pretty. View of the pond from here too, out of this window. You've got your screened-in porch with a fan. And lovely view of the pond from here too. Obviously, if they build a house on that vacant lot, your view will change to just here in the front of the screen porch, or in the back of the screen porch, I should say. It's really pretty though. The trim in here on the ceilings is really pretty. Okay, let's head over to the primary bedroom. tucked away here off the kitchen. Very nice. It's got the luxury vinyl plank all throughout here. I love that it has the recessed lights in the ceiling as well as a fan. And that you can have the separate lights, the lights off, not have to worry about a cord or anything like that. And you have that extra light if you want it. Your view from these windows, you have a view of the pond from this one especially. This is beautiful, you guys. I'm so excited for you. I think the end of August date is certainly doable. It looks like they are progressing nicely. I love the tile in here. The separate water closet. Of course, they still have to put the shoe mold in. This is a great bathroom. There we go. I like this little shelf that they put up here. That's a neat touch. Natural light in your shower, which is always a plus. Bench, beautiful. Very nice design. No door needed. I'm not sure if they're putting a shower door on here or not. We'll see, I guess, and I can check. Master closet, gigantic. And it connects with the laundry room, which is also huge. This is a laundry room / mud room entry from the garage, as you well know. I don't know why I'm talking as if you've never seen this house before, but very pretty. And of course, this leads out into the nice size 2-car garage with added storage. That could be your little golf cart garage or whatever you want to use it for. I love also when the garages have an access to the side without having to come in through the big garage door. Okay, back inside, you have this powder room tucked away here. Which is also a nice touch. Plenty of storage here in the laundry room. And this leads back into the kitchen, and there is an upstairs. Let's go take a peek real quick. Another closet here. Did I get that already? Okay. Over here. To the guest bedrooms. You've got this guest bath, or guest bedroom, I should say. I love the tile in this bathroom. They took the tile all the way to the ceiling. I know you guys love that. And the tile in here is just so pretty. Love the fixture choices throughout the house. Light fixture and plumbing fixtures. Here is the second bedroom or third bedroom. And you do have a great view of the pond from here. Really pretty. So that's it, guys. It's looking amazing. Congratulations. I can't believe it's gonna be done in like 30 days. You're gonna absolutely love it.